Welcome, in front of me is a Philips 6200 series TV, and today I will show you how to update this device. So to get started, you want to tap on the gear icon on your remote control, then tap down once and scroll to the right till you see the option All Settings. And in here you can simply tap up once to go to Update Software, confirm that, search for updates over the internet. Now I'll mention that you do need to be connected to a network for this to work, and then tap on Start Now for it to start searching for the update. So as you can see, there is a new software available, so once it finds it you can choose to update it, tapping on the OK button, then again to accept and start. Once the process is finished, select OK to restart. And we're basically finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.